Yeah. No cheese.
Cheese is for crackers, and I'm gonna fit. Look at that. Hey, wouldn't Mr. Leon like to try some?
No.
Right. So my secret is I wanna pour this one here, right? Because I don't wanna waste this one. Watch out. So with bolognese, I always save a little bit of water to go in here. There you go. So we're not wasting anything.
Yeah.
How good is that? Put that there because that was washed. And now we'll wash all this later.
Didn't need to do that.
Now we're going to go and switch this one off. Off. That's done. All right, now we come in and right. Oh my. This is dinner for how many days, Rach, you reckon?
I don't know.
2, you reckon? Maybe with the other one, 3. Oh no, rinse that. 3 days dinner, I reckon.
3 or 4 days.
Yeah. Look at that. Wow. We can switch it off then, Rach?
Yeah, you do. Just push that. And it's all off.
Boom. And we don't want to cover it because then it gets... Oh my goodness.
Just, I don't know if I'll eat anyway.
Who's going to taste it? Oh, maybe it needs... I'm going to taste it. Maybe it needs a bit of salt, I reckon. Let's go in. Let's go in.
Oh, got a fork?
Come on. Rachel's got to teach me. Earlier she told me how to use a chopstick. Kids, do not attempt when it's hot because it'll burn your
Mouth.
tongue, your everything. Maybe a little bit more salt.
Yeah.
I reckon. A little bit more salt. Because Rachel's got very good palate. Yeah. And we've turned it off. And then I'll mix it in again. Oh. Look at... Oh, Parmesan. Do you have Parmesan?
Yeah. We did get parmesan on Friday.
Friday. Now I present to you spaghetti bolognese. Yes.
Now in the containers.
And then we're going to put that in our bin outside.
Yep. So, don't forget to...
I locked it. Oh.
So,